Hi everyone, welcome to Readnshine. I'm Miss Lisa and a happy new year to everyone. We're going to start this year with the story The Color Monster by Anna Llenas. Now the story is all about a special little monster who can change his colors as he changes his feelings. But the problem is all his feelings are mixed up. So let's read the story together and find out what happens. The Color Monster by Anna Llenas. This is my friend, the Color Monster. Today he's all mixed up and very confused. He doesn't know why. His feelings are all stirred together, so his colors are too. I know. Let's put each feeling in a different jar so we can look at it more closely. I can help you if you like. This is happiness. It shines yellow like the sun and twinkles like the stars. This is sadness. It's gentle like a blue rainy day. This is anger. It blazes red like fire. This is fear. It is dark like the night and hides in shadows like a scaredy cat. This is calm. It's quiet like the trees and soft like their leaves. But what's this? You look different, Color Monster. How do you feel now? What do you think Color Monster is feeling right now? Do you think he's excited, nervous, or maybe full of love? And how are you feeling today? What color does that feeling look like? Hope you all enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe for more stories to come. See you all next time.